Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule message on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. As a business owner, you may desire to schedule payment reminders on the last day of subscriptions or card reminder to your customers' WhatsApp. Alternatively, you may wish to send greeting messages to all your new customer or subscriber. For business owner like yourself, scheduling WhatsApp messages is crucial as it enhances engagement and boosts sales. Whether you utilize WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, you can easily accomplish this in a few simple steps. So how to do it? So simple. So if you want to schedule message on your WhatsApp, you need to install this app on your phone. Schedit. So you can just open your App Store or Play Store. You can search on it. Schedit. It's free. It's free app. This one. After that, you can just open the app. Now you can just sign in with your email. Like this. You can continue. You can allow it. Now, if you want to start schedule, you can just tap on the plus in here. There is an option WhatsApp. Because we want to schedule message on WhatsApp, we can just choose on WhatsApp. Check and complete the settings required to avoid any sending issues. Here, you can allow it first. You can just tap on here. Now you can tap on allow. You can just scroll down. You can allow for the schedule. Tap on the toggle. Now we have allow it. And also for enable the accessibility. You can enable for the accessibility. This one you can turn on for the schedule. You can just agree for it, but don't worry, it's safe. You can go back. Now you can enable permission for this too. Always allow. Let's allow for all of this. Now we can go back again. Yes, we have done. You can disable for this battery saver too. No restriction. Now we can go back again. Now I think we finished. You can go back. You can enter your device lock, screen pin or password to allow automatic unlock of screen when a message is being sent. Otherwise, sending will fail. Now, we're done. It's all done for all the requirement details. We can go back again. And we can just start. You can add the recipient by tap on the recipient in here, choose on WhatsApp, tap on OK. You can just choose for the recipient. I will choose this. Now you can add the title if you want to, but I will just send a message like this. Now you can generate thumbnail for links to if you want, but I will just skip this step. Now you can just schedule. Maybe you want to send it tomorrow. I will choose for 2 March. You can choose for the time. Now you tap on OK. You can choose if you want to repeat the schedule message for hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can custom, but I will just choose on no repeat. You can view the schedule summary. So here's now after that, after you think it's finished, we can just tap on checklist on it. So now here's your scheduled message on your uh, phone, and it will send at 12 p.m. tomorrow. So simple, right? So that is how to schedule message on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.